Hey, good people. Arthur Morris here. I hope all is well. In this video, we're going to continue solving rational equations that simplifies to linear with a denominator that has a binomial and a variable in it. So since we have the 7 equals -1 over u plus 3, since we have a variable in our denominator, we need to identify the excluded value. Because remember, anything that makes our denominator 0 would make the fraction undefined. So that would be considered an excluded value. So to find your excluded value, and you may or may not use it, but you need to know what your excluded value is just in case you solve this equation and end up with the excluded value. So to find your excluded value, you take any denominator that has a variable in it, take that expression, set it equal to 0, and solve. So u plus 3 equals 0. Subtract 3 from both sides. The excluded value is -3. So that tells me that once I solve this equation, I can have any answer except -3. Because if I get -3 and replace u with -3, -3 plus 3 is 0 in my denominator, which would make that undefined. Okay, so that's just a side note there. We may or may not use it. All right, so the only denominator I have is u plus 3, so I want to clear my fraction by multiplying by that denominator, multiplying both sides by u plus 3. All right, so we have 7 times u plus 3 equals, then the u plus 3's cancel here, so I just have -1. All right, let's use our distributive property to clear the parentheses. So 7 times u, and then 7 times 3. And let's subtract 21 from both sides. And then let's divide both sides by 7. So we end up with u equals -22 over 7. And that is not our excluded value, so we're good. That's a valid answer. That's all there is to that type of problem. Hope you found this video to be helpful, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you.